As the winter season sets in, our dental health too needs some extra attention. The colder months bring unique challenges, from temperature-sensitive teeth to holiday treats that may not be kind to our enamel. Let's explore some essential tips to ensure that our dental health remains in tip-top shape, even when the mercury drops. It's easy to forget to stay hydrated in winter, but maintaining proper hydration is crucial for our overall health and oral well-being. Water helps rinse away bacteria, aids in saliva production, and keeps our mouth moist, preventing issues like dry mouth and bad breath. Be mindful of consuming extremely hot or cold foods, beverages, as they can cause tooth sensitivity. Allow hot drinks to cool slightly before sipping, and consider using a toothpaste specifically designed for sensitive teeth. Be mindful of sugar intake. Opt for healthier alternatives and maintain a balanced diet to support both your overall and dental health. Stick to your regular routine of brushing and flossing. Use a good quality lip balm to keep your lips moisturized, and consider breathing through your nose to minimize the drying effect on your mouth. If you experience persistent dry mouth, consult your dentist for personalized recommendations.